Hello, good morning, students. Today's transcription number 134 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. In view of the recommendations made by the Backward Classes Commission, the Government of India examined the matter in consultation with the state governments concerned. This is exactly what we have decided and what has been incorporated in the present bill. As a result, it has been decided that in the case of Rajasthan, the area restriction should be removed altogether because in Rajasthan, this population has been spread over a very large area. It was found that they were entitled to this measure of protection and therefore this area restriction has not been kept up in respect of Rajasthan at all. In the case of the other two states, namely Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh, the tribes residing in tehsils where there is concentration of 20% or more of tribal population should be specified as scheduled tribes. This is point number 2 so far as the salient recommendations of the Backward Classes Commission were concerned. Then, sir, the third point was regarding the actual omissions or actual additions. There were a number of communities. In respect of this, there are certain difficulties also, which I shall be pointing out very soon. So far as the Backward Classes Commission's recommendations in this respect were concerned, there were certain natural handicaps. When we received their recommendations regarding either additions or omissions, natural we had to depend upon the well considered views of the state governments. As I stated to the House, there was a double reference. The first reference was at the preliminary stage, and the second reference was with regard to the tentative proposals that the government had evolved. Therefore, in this case, after the receipt of the views of the state governments, the Government of India finally recast what they had prepared in the light of these views. Generally, what has been done is when there has been a recommendation which is supported both by the Backward Classes Commission and the state government, then we accept that particular community either for addition if formerly it was not there, or for omission if omission has been jointly supported by both these people. If, for example, there is a difference of opinion between them, then the government considered the matter. I would point out that the state governments have a number of means of knowing the correct position so far as these are concerned.